In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a foundation repair business that in the last 30 days has generated 43 leads. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClickSgeek here. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more great content. Now let's dive into this campaign. So we are reviewing this from a 30-day window. We currently have a $200 budget per day set. A cost in this 30 days of $4,459.52, 301 clicks. I have a conversion rate of 14.29%. It's a little bit low, but we consistently work on increasing conversion rates, which increases the conversions and lowers the cost per lead. Then we have 43 leads on this, and then we have a cost per acquisition on this campaign of, or cost per lead of $103.71. So this is right on par. We just need to work on this conversion rate a little bit, which we are currently doing. So on this campaign, we're driving both lead form and calls. So once the consumer hits the page, there's a phone number on the page. They have the option to dial that number from their mobile device or a landline, or they have the option to fill out that lead form, which all those leads then track back into this campaign. Let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using on this campaign. So we're using foundation repair, foundation inspection, Plano, foundation repair, foundation piers, McKinney foundation repair, home foundation repair, pier and beam foundation repair. And then these are driving the majority of our conversions, as you can tell here. So, and then we have a current target CPA of $160 set on this campaign. So, and then each one of these ad groups here, we have both the keywords and then the ads categorized in here. So, for instance, like any keywords that would be closely related to foundation repair, those would then be inside of this ad group. And then down on the ad itself, that same foundation repair verbiage will be communicated in the ad, which helps to increase the click-through rate. Let's take a look at the keywords that we're using on this campaign. So we have broad match and phrase match and exact match going on here just to help increase the volume. So we have foundation repair, free foundation inspection, foundation repair specialist, repair house foundation, repair foundation piers, foundation piering. And then these are driving the majority of the conversions, as you can tell here. If you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link that's down in the description below this video. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.